the decision to file bankruptcy can be the best decision you've ever made. Bankruptcy really wipes the slate clean in a very quick manner and gets you back on the road to financial freedom, but it also eliminates the stresses that you're under now. The reason that you're having sleepless nights and the reason you basically simply can't enjoy day in and day out.
Financial problems, financial hardships know no socioeconomic bounds. We have everybody from people who are unemployed to doctors and lawyers declaring bankruptcy.
When you hire us, the attorney that you hire remains your attorney throughout the entire process and will always be available to answer phone calls. We do pride ourselves on our customer relations and our ability to constantly keep in communication with our clients, to be available for our clients.
When you first call our office, you're talking to an attorney. You're not talking to a paralegal and you're not talking to a secretary. And we have what is essentially a mini consultation over the telephone. We ask you questions concerning what types of bills are giving you the problem, and we also listen to you and listen to what your problems are in general concerning your finances. And that way we're able to get an idea about whether or not if we can help you, and if we can help you, what type of bankruptcy may be most appropriate for you. Chapter 7 is essentially an elimination of your debt. In Chapter 7, the debt that you do not want to keep is generally wiped out so you can get a fresh start. There are a couple of exceptions to that. Most commonly, most student loan debts, most debts to the government, and most domestic support obligations, whether it's alimony or child support, are generally not dischargeable. But other types of debts that you cannot afford to repay are eliminated. One of the most common questions that people ask us is, will I lose anything if I file a bankruptcy? And the answer is not with our firm. We will not file a bankruptcy on a client's behalf if they are in danger of losing something.
A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a consolidation and repayment plan bankruptcy where your bills are consolidated into one monthly payment and you end up making that payment to the bankruptcy court for a period of time, generally between 3 and 5 years.
We don't feel that because people are going through hard financial times that they don't deserve great legal service. We provide first-class legal services and we get our clients out of debt.
Oftentimes the idea of filing bankruptcy is its own barrier to resolving your debt, and making that call to an attorney to at least investigate the concept of bankruptcy and whether bankruptcy is appropriate for you and can really help you, it certainly can be one of the most difficult aspects to get around.
We have a philosophy and a passion, if you will, about helping people resolve their financial problems, especially in today's economy. I mean, with all the recent bank bailouts, the corporate bailouts, where's the consumer's bailout? You can think of bankruptcy along those lines because the whole purpose, again, of filing a bankruptcy is to get you on the road to financial freedom. It is to resolve your debt situations so you can go forward with your life without having the burden of crushing debt. Filing a bankruptcy is an extremely important tool for consumers. It's a way for you to get out of debt or to resolve your financial problems. You must at least call a bankruptcy attorney if you're experiencing these problems to at least get an idea about what your options are.
You have questions, we have answers. Contact the attorneys at Glanzer Angres to schedule your free in-person consultation.